only the vowels, ma. A, E, I, O, U. Write alphabet A to Z and then you circle only the vowels. What are the vowels, Srinija? You have circled.
Finish, ma'am.
It's very good, Mokshita. Srinija, what are the vowels you circled?
A, E, I, U, O, A,
Last one.
U,
U, A, E, I, O, U.
U, oval.
Very good. Yeah, vowels. Others, have you finished?
I, A, E, E, I, O,
U.
U.
Very good. All these are A, E, I, O, U. All these 5 letters are vowels. Vowels. And the rest of the letters that are blue in color, those are consonants. Finish, children. Manlis, Mokshita, Srinija, Shravanya. Others?
Finish, ma'am.
Ilango finish. Did you circle all the vowels, Ilango?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Finish. Madhuvanti, finish. Finished A to Z and did you circle the vowels? I told you to write from A to Z. A, B, C, D னு A to Z வரல எழுதணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் vowel circle பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னேன் நான். I didn't ask you to write only the vowels. Write fast. Finish. Yes, finish, children. Riya Sri, Nitish. Have you all finished? Why, Maria Sri, you are crying? Don't cry, okay? Good girl. அழக்கூடாது சரியா? Nimalan still writing,
He finished A to Z, ma'am. Circling, ma'am.
Okay, circle A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Srinija, sit properly. Fold the legs and sit. Sarah, finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Sarah, finish? Good, very good, Sarah. Good girl. Sarah finished. Ilangu, Shavanya, Srinija, Mokshita, Nimalan, Riyasri. Adarsh, did you finish, Adarsh? Adarsh, Nitish. Very good, Adarsh. Nitish.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Write fast, write fast. Nakshatra, did you finish? Adya Sharma. Very good, Nakshatra. Adya.
No, she's writing P.
Okay, right. Right, I'll wait for you, right. Chalo, likho. Jaldi. Very good, Riyasri. Finish. I'm waiting, children. Come on, you finished. No problem. Nitish, finish. Finish, Amma, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Ridinya, what happened to your hair, Ridinya?
I cut it, ma'am.
Why? Chucho. Have such a beautiful hair. Why did you cut it, huh? Very good, Riyasri. Good. All because of your mummy only, right? No, Fine. Okay, children. Still who is writing? Adya is writing. Then finish, Madhuvanti. What happened, Nakshatra? Yeah, I'm watching you. What are you doing, huh?
அவ ஹேர் சரியில்லையாமா அத பாத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Oh, is this mirror? Huh? Correcting your hair, That means you have to comb your hair and come to class, huh?
Her mom combed, ma'am, but she was rubbing her hair and already.
Messed up with her hair. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Adya, you continue writing, okay? Others, stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. You write, ma, Adya, no problem, you write. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Still Nitish is writing, ah?
Himalayan, ma'am.
Nimalan what? You are going to say Kidzi anthem? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Come
He
on,
wants to
Nimalan.
say.
Kidzi
Kizzy,
anthem.
and then you are with me. You are unique, my potential. Today,
You are the wings.
let you defend me, my potential, and died. Today, let it all my mind. I shall to you, my potential, and side.
Very good. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay. Today we are going to conduct an activity. Yeah, very good morning. Okay. Balance walk. Do you all remember balance walk? For balance walk, what we'll do? Do you all remember? Anyone? Balance walk, what we'll do? Nobody remembers, huh? What we'll do? We'll take a book, keep it on your head, okay, and then take off your hands and then you have to walk. Okay, come on. Balance walk. What, Nimalan? Don't hold your book. Without holding, you have to walk. Don't hold it. Balance walk means you have to balance without, your book should not fall down. Yeah? Ready, steady, go. Walk. Walk, 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 walk. Hi.
What to
Come
do,
on.
ma'am?
Take a book, keep it on your head, okay, and then take off your hands. You have to walk as it is. Your book should not fall down. Very good, Srinija. Nakshatra, no cheating. Take off your hand and walk.
Forward or finish up is correct forward.
Very good. What, Madhya?
She finished
She
somehow.
finished. Very good. A-E-I-O-U. Very good. Come on now, balance walk, Adya.
Job.
Take a book or you can use your slate also, children. You can use your slate, you can use your workbook or notebook, whatever you have, use it. Nimalan, walk, Nimalan. That is balance walk.
If he
Yeah.
walks, notebook is falling down, ma'am. So he's
That's
standing.
what he has to balance. I don't know. Very tricky, this boy. Huh?
Nada, nada.
See, I'm watching everyone. Don't try to trick me, children. Yes, good. Sara, very good, Sara. Good. Very good, Nakshatra. Now you walk 1, 2, 3 steps is enough. 3 step நடங்க போதும். Yes, good. Fine. Riyasri, Shavanya, Mokshita, very good. Sara, super, Sara. Good. Adya, you can use your slate itself, Adya. Okay, fine. Hey, you are using your box, huh? Naughty girl. Fine, very good. Yeah, Srinija can sit. Shavanya, sit down. Nimalan, it's okay. Fine, sit down. Because you don't have hair in your head also. What to do? Okay, sit down. And then Sara can sit. Yes. Yes, Nitish, take your hands off and walk. Mokshita can sit. Vyasri can sit. Yeah, good. Fine. Very good. Yes, good, Nitish. Very good. Yes, Adya. Yeah, fine, Nakshatra, good. Okay, no problem. Sit down, Nakshatra, sit, no problem. Okay, very good, all of you. Big round of applause for everyone. Okay, next is our rhymes. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Yes. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Very good. Well done. Well done. Yes. Well done. Very good. Thank you so much. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Here I am, Adya Sharma. Very good, Adya Sharma. Next, Ilango.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish.
Hello, ma'am.
Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin is absent. Riyasvi. Riyasvi. It's very good, Riyasvi. Yes, good, Riyasvi. Sara. Well, very good, Masara. Pranavi Pravina is absent. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Absent. Kadambari. Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Adarsh. Adarsh is also absent. Madhuvanti.
Yeah.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, next we are going to sing our rocket rhymes. Ready? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. One more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Okay, very good. Okay, next is our alphabet language session. Okay, I want you to take worksheet number D92 LT, children. D92 LT. This will be your worksheet. Here capital letters and small letters are given. Trace it and then match it accordingly. Okay, capital letters, small letters கொடுத்திருக்கு. Trace பண்ணுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் match பண்ணுங்க. Okay. D92 LT. This sheet, it will be like this. Write today's date and start, children. Today's date is 1/8/18 dash 11/11 dash 21/21. Trace it and then match it, children. First finish tracing all the letters.
Ma'am, 92 LT na ma'am?
Yeah, D92 LT.
Okay.
The worksheet will be like this.
Ma'am, is there any exams date finalized?
Exam dates, we didn't finalize it because already we had 10 days leave, right? So we'll have to finish with the worksheets also. So we'll let you know.
Okay.
But as you said, it will not be on 13th, I think.
Okay.
Very good, Nitish. Very good, Nitish.
Ma'am, Shavanya, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya.
Younger finish, ma'am.
Ilango also finished. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, those are finished. Take worksheet number D92 MT. D92 MT number 63 and 64. You can continue to write, those are finished.
Page number, ma'am.
D92 MT.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Which is next one?
D92 MT number 63 and 64.
Please, ma'am.
Very good. Take D92 MT and finish it. The worksheet will be like this. 63 and 64. Count it and then write it, children. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. 6, 3, 63. And then you have 64 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 61, 62, 63, 64. Sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Spell and write, children. 6, 3, 63. And then 6, 4, 64.
Math ranges finished math.
Very good.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Very good, Shravanya. Finish writing, everyone.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mokshita.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good, Sarah.
That's my favorite.
Finish it fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish.
Finish. Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good, Adarsh. Has everyone finished? Is there still doing the same worksheet? 63 and 64?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Nakshatra also finished? Good. Who is still doing the worksheet? Okay, shall we move on to our next worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, next worksheet is D93CT. D93CT.
இது என்னன்னு பாரு.
D93 CT.
Is that vehicle worksheet?
Yeah, vehicle worksheet. What comes next?
இதெல்லாம் யார் சொல்லி கொடுத்தா? எப்படி பண்ணுங்க?
D93 CT. Here you have to find out what comes next, children. Pattern, okay? First you have a cement mixer here, and then a bulldozer, cement mixer, bulldozer. Again, what will you have? Cement mixer or bulldozer? Cement mixer. The same picture will not repeat, okay? Cement mixer. Circle cement mixer. And then in the next line, you have a road roller, bulldozer, road roller, bulldozer. Again, what will you get? Bulldozer or road roller? Road roller. Alternatively, you have to see, children. That is the pattern given here. Here, cement mixer, crane, cement mixer, crane. Again, what will you get? Crane or cement mixer? Crane is already given, so you will get cement mixer.
Ma'am,
Ganesh?
ma'am.
Yeah, done. Next, D93 PH worksheet, children. D93 PH phonics worksheet. It'll be like this. Everyone are having the same? Everyone is having the same worksheet?
What is the worksheet number, ma'am?
D93 PH phonics worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
The same only? Okay. Here you are going to circle the initial sound of the picture, children. Do it on your own. Rabbit, sound. See my dog, rip the rag. Sound means what will you circle? Which letter will you circle? Okay, very good, Sarah. Second picture is lion. Lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. The third picture, tiger. Cha 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 cha. When I watch the tennis play, cha 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 cha. The fourth picture is snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And the next picture, monkey. Means what letter? Mom and the dad makes many meals. Do it on your own, children, okay? And then cat. We are clicking castanets. Children, we are clicking castanets, not kites are flying in the sky, okay? We are clicking castanets. This ka. Don't confuse yourself. Next is horse. I like to hop, 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 ha, 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 ha. Already finished. Very clear. Okay, very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, good children. Before me, all have finished. Okay. Now D94LT. Next worksheet is D94LT. This worksheet.
Mama, pitch. This pitch, Mama. Yes. Yeah.
D94LT. Yes, you have two colors here. One is brown and the other one is gray. Okay, now we are going to match the related objects. Okay, so for brown color, what you will be matching? Brown color horse, brown color donut, and then brown color pencil. And then for gray color shirt, gray color elephant. Match it according to the color, children. Brown color donut, and then gray color elephant, gray color t-shirt. This way you have to match. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, finish means take your worksheet number D92 CT, children. Parents, cut these cutouts and give it to them. Let them stick it accordingly. First is water transport, next is land transport, and the last one is air transport. Cut and give those cutouts. Let them identify and stick it. First finish with the water and then go to the land transport and finally to the air transport. Okay? Yes, your worksheet will be like this. It's divided into 3 columns. Take each one of the picture and stick it accordingly.
Ma'am,
Okay?
worksheet number, ma'am.
D92 CT.
Thank you.
Children, be ready with your glue also. Take your own time, no need to rush up, do it slowly. So what are the pictures given here is camel cart, bullock cart, helicopter, ship, aeroplane, boat, and then canoe, parachute. Children, wait for your parents to cut and give you those cutouts. And then one by one, first you finish with the water transport. So water transport, you have 3 pictures there. Take all those water transport and stick it first. Blue color box is given there. That box, stick water transport. Just apply a drop of glue and then stick it, children. First, finish your water transport. Parents, arrange it on the table. Let them sort it out. First, let them pick up all those water transport and then stick it. Let them do it on their own. Pictures கொடுத்துட்டு இதை ஒட்டு ஒட்டுன்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. Let them choose which is water transport, which is land transport, which is air transport. அவங்களே choose பண்ணி பண்ணட்டும். Which will go in water, ship, boat, canoe. You yourself selected, children. If you don't know also, leave it. Move on to the next one, and then finally what is the picture left out, we'll sort it out. Okay. Nimalan, first finish with your water transport.
Ma'am, just
One
done,
by
ma'am.
one you have to finish, children.
Ma'am,
If you're finishing with all the three columns, you will get confused. First finish water transport. Then finish with your land transport, that is the yellow color column.
Ma'am, Srini just done, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Write today's date, Srinija. Parents, imaginary kit is available in school. You can call and confirm whether your kit is available in school, and please go and get it, because tomorrow we'll be doing those imaginary worksheets, sorry, imaginary sheets. I've already shown that dinosaurs and all, no, that kit only. So please confirm whether your kit is available in school, and then you can go and get it. And also download the Kidsy Imaginary app. Want me to show? This purple color app you are seeing in my mobile, right? Kidsy, purple color app with Kidsy inside, red color it is written. That will be your Kidsy Imaginary app. If you open it, it will be like this. I've already shown this app, and I've already shown the worksheets that has to be done also. So please confirm whether your kit is available in school, and then you go and get it.
Sorry, ma'am, I was away. Which page is the current page they are doing?
Current page is this one, D92 CT. Just cut the cutouts and give it to her. First take the water transport, and then land transport, and then air transport.
So, ma'am, you are going to use that app along with that kit tomorrow?
Yeah, app. We have to scan that sheet. Then only they can see that 3D image of those dinosaurs and all.
Oh, sheets from that kit.
Yeah.
Okay,
6
ma'am.
coloring
Can
sheets
we
are
do it?
there.
Yeah,
Yes?
can we do it 2 or 3 days later as it is raining? We are not sure.
Yeah, fine. You just confirm whether your kit is available in school and then you go and get it whenever it is possible.
Okay.
Finish. Very good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Good. Take your own time. Finish. Stick it one by one, children. Don't confuse yourself. One by one, you stick it. First, you stick the water transport, and then you move on to the land transport, and then air transport. Okay? Don't confuse yourself.
Nimalan finished, ma'am.
Yes, good, Nimalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Finish, Riyasri.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Shravanya.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya. Nitish, finish. Good. Adarsh. Finish. Very good, Adarsh. Sarah finished.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Ilango, Nakshatra is sticking, huh? Okay, fine. Ilango finish?
Finished.
Yeah, fine.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, ma, good. Slowly you yourself take and stick it, children. You know which is air transport, which is water transport, and which is land transport. So slowly you take it and stick it in the correct box, okay? Nimalan, what are the land transport given there? What is the land transport given, ma, in that book?
Camel cart, bullock cart.
Very good. Camel cart, bullock cart. Very good. Ilango, what is the air transport given there? Air transport, yeah, welcome, ma.
Uncle?
Yeah.
You too. Paru, sollu, ma'am.
What is the air transport given in that worksheet? Air transport. Air.
என்னென்ன இருக்கு சொல்லு.
Airplane,
Hmm.
air balloon.
Aeroplane. Hot air balloon. No, hot air balloon இருக்கு அங்க.
Air balloon.
Air balloon.
இல்ல இது என்னன்னு இல்ல.
It's a parachute, right?
Ma'am, what is this?
Parachute.
Parachute. Used for paragliding, okay?
This one?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Good. Very good. Okay, next. Shravanya, what is the water transport given there? What are the water transport given in that worksheet?
சொல்லுங்க.
Boat.
Hmm. Look at your worksheet and say boat.
Boat.
Hmm.
Ship.
Ah. Canoe. Canoe. Okay. Good. Very good. Finish, Adya.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone finished? Hope everyone have finished your worksheet. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Please go and get your Imagine Kit whenever it is possible. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.